And from here, you will see under My Site section some of the websites that you have been created. And to start new one, kindly click this Create New Site. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And from here, the next thing that you need to do is to simply answer their question by selecting on the choices. Then just click the Next button. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to enter your website name, or alternatively, you could also skip this part by clicking the skip button below. And aside from that, from here, you could also select some of the things that you want to add to your website. And just proceed by clicking the next button to proceed. Or you can skip this part if you want to. And now from here, the next thing that you need to do to set up your website by simply clicking this Go to Dashboard right here, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed on the dashboard of Wix. And this is what it looks like. You will see on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating, and under the setup, it will show you the step-by-step process on how to set up your store or your website. However, since we're trying to add a custom CSS in our Wix website, kindly click this button on the top right corner that says Design Site, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, and it will ask you how would you like to design your website. And below, you have the two choices, which is to let Wix create a site for you, or you can customize a design template. And in those options, I'm going to choose to pick a template and just customize the design of it. And from here, it will show you all of the website templates that you could also choose that contain different kind of designs, layout, and even elements that the website contain. But I'm going to choose these blank templates since we're trying to add a custom CSS in our Wix website. And below here, you have the choices to start from scratch or choose some of the layout, including minimal layout, classic layout, and many more. So let's say I'm going to choose this classic layout. So kindly click the View button to see the layout of these specific templates. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on the next page. And from here, you will see the layout of this specific template. And if you want this template to customize, just click this Edit this template button on the top right corner. And upon doing so, you will be directed on this page. And from here, you will see on the left side panel some of the editing tools that you could also navigate, including Add Elements, Add Section, Pages and Menu, Site Design, and many more. While on the right side panel, you will see here the template, in which by simply clicking on any part of this template, you can start customizing, including the title of it or the context, and you could also go to different kind of pages under this Pages section. And you can jump on from Home, About, Services, and Other page. And now, before starting adding a CSS on our Wix template, we could also firstly do or change the title or the context of this template. So let's say I'm going to change this into Sample Title, and it will show you a pop-up window, some of the editing tools that you could change, including the themes, the font sizes, and any other editing tools. And now to start adding a custom CSS, kindly click this Add Elements button on the left side panel. And below the elements, it will show you a text, image, button, but just proceed by clicking the Embed Code option right here. And it will show you a custom popular embeds that you could also navigate, such as embed HTML, embed site, and custom element, in which these are the ways that you could also add a custom CSS in our Wix website. So let's say we're going to try first the embed HTML. So kindly click on it, and it will show us a pop-up window on our website. And below here, you have the choices to choose either website address or code that you want to add. But I'm going to choose to add a code and proceed by clicking Apply in order to proceed. And for instance, I'm going to choose or use ChatGPT and commanding to create an HTML code that would say Hello World if open. And below here, it will show you the code, and all you need to do is to simply copy this code and proceed by pasting the code below here. And after pasting the code, just click the Update button right here. And upon doing so, it will show you the results upon adding the HTML code from ChatGPT. And as you can see on this page, it says Hello World. And that is just one way in adding a CSS or custom CSS in Wix website. And if you want to add more, you could also do the same process, which is click Add Elements button on the left side panel, and under the embed code and custom popular embeds, you could also click this embed a site, in which, upon clicking on it, all you need to do is to simply paste or input the website address that you want to embed on your website. Since embed a site can display an external website in a window on your site. While embed HTML, you could also add widgets and apps to your site using the HTML code. And aside from those custom CSS, you could also add a custom element in which it will display a custom elements using snippets of code. So from here, you will see a pop-up window, and all you need to do is to simply click Choose Source on the top panel of it, and it will show you the element attributes any of the choices to add your script file with server URL or Velo file. However, to do this process, you must have an upgrade account or you must have a premium plan that you subscribe or purchase. But you will see here under the server URL the link, and if you try to copy this link and paste it on the next tab, after pasting the code, it will show you the process on how to debug this code, in which it says here that you need to open Wix default custom element in Developer Tools. And below here are some of the algorithm or codes about the server URL. Now going back to this page, since we will not be able to do this process, since we're currently using a free version account, but if you want to upgrade your account, kindly proceed by clicking this button on the top right corner that says Upgrade. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, in which it will show you some of the plan that they offer, including the Enterprise, Business Elite, Business, Core, and Light plan. And you will see the corresponding prices and the list of benefits below. But that is just basically how you can add a custom CSS in Wix website. Thank you.